Okay, children, how to factorize? How to factorize polynomials which have roots? Children, see here. First step same as usual. 6 into 1, 6x square. And in the middle, what is the number? 3 root 3x. We should search for two numbers whose product gives 6 and whose addition or subtraction will give you 3 root 3. So
Sir, 6 square ఎందుకు వచ్చింది సార్?
6 1 ja 6. 6 1 ja 6x square. In middle, 3 root 3x. Recording is going on, Nana, please. So 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3. I am explaining, try to understand, children. As I keep on explaining, you will understand. See here. 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3 is 3 root 3. Okay, children? And 2 root 3 into 1 root 3. 2 into 1 is 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, 6. So 3 root 3, we can write it as 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3. Okay, children, as you keep on doing the sums, you will understand, children. Inserts lesson already in rationalization and inserts lesson, I told you all about roots. So slowly you see x square plus 2 root 3x plus 1 root 3x plus 6. I wrote 3 root 3 like this. When I write like this, what is common in these both, children? X. X plus 2 root 3. What is common in this both, children? Root 3 is common. Okay, x plus 2 root 3. How? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 2s are 6. Whatever number you get here, obviously you'll get same number here also. So x plus 2 root 3, if you take common, x plus root 3 is left over. Okay, children? If you do 3 4 sums, then you will understand, children. With one sum, you will not understand. One more sum I will do, children, all of you see here. Please copy along with me. Along with me, keep copying. Fast, children. Next, check 48th sum, children. 48th sum. I'll explain 5 6 sums, children. Till you understand, I'll explain. Don't panic. Please listen, children. Next sum. 48th question. 48th question. 48th question. Please listen, children. X square plus 3 root 3x minus 30. Okay. So on multiplication, what you'll get, children? Minus 30x square. In the middle, what is there? 3 root 3x. We should search for two numbers whose multiplication will give you 30 and addition or subtraction will give you 3 root 3. You have to search for two numbers. So 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3, you check, children. 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3. Okay, because here plus is there for bigger number plus and for small. Now you check, children. 5 root 3 into 2 root 3. 5 2s are 10. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 30 is the answer. Okay, children. So here I will take 5 root 3x into minus 2 root 3x, because plus into minus is minus. So you have to identify the number. Which two numbers will give you like this? So 5 root 3 minus 2. Then you will get the how to do fast means with practice you will get, children. How many sums you practice, that much perfect you will become. Okay. Normally with small numbers only we will give, children. If big numbers are coming, which you can't do in exam, then how to use quadratic formula, that I will teach in 10th class, children, not in 9th class. Okay. So now you see x square plus 5 root 3x minus 2 root 3x minus 30. This minus this is this, children. This into this is 30. Because minus 30 into 1 is minus 30. So here I will take x common in this both numbers. What is left over? X plus 5 root 3. And here what is common, children? Minus 2 root 3 I will take common. Then only x will come here. Then plus 5 root 3. Why? Because see here 5 2s are 10. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. And 3s are 30. Now what is common in these both numbers? X plus 5 root 3 minus x minus 2 3. You have to practice, children. When you practice only you will get it. Because root 3 like this root numbers are very important, how to split the middle term. There are other easy methods also by using quadratic formula. But if I say that you will not use this logic, that's why I'm not saying that. How to identify that I will tell in later classes, not now. Please copy out, children. Okay, next sum children, next sum. No problem children, don't worry, it will be very easy, but only thing is you need a lot of practice. If you practice only, you will understand like this sums. Okay, keep doing children, keep doing slowly, will do, no problem, absolutely no problem will be there children, don't worry. So same procedure, this 2 will give minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, root 3 into root 3 is 3, so total how much, 24x square. Okay children, 24x square. What 24 minus 2? And in the middle, what is there? 5x. Now we have to search for two numbers, children, whose multiplication gives you 24 and plus or minus gives you 5. Whose
Sir,
multiplication?
8 and 3. 8 into 3.
Okay, Nana. Okay, 8 into 3, 8 minus 3. Because this is plus 5x. For bigger number, we'll put plus, and for smaller number, we'll put minus. Bigger number plus, smaller number minus. 8 into minus 3 is minus 24 only. Here roots are not coming, so directly we'll do children 4 root 3x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3. In this, what is common children? 4x. If you take 4x common children, root 3x plus 2. And in this, what is common? In this, what is common?
3, sir.
Root 3 is common. Please see here, Nana, root 3. Why means root 3 into root 3x only will give you 3x. Root 3 into root 3 only will give you 3x. Here root 3 is there, no? If you want here root 3 compulsory, here root 3 should be there. Okay? And plus, because minus into plus is minus. What is that? 2. And in this both, what is common children? Root 3x plus 2 is there. And apart from that, 4x minus root 3 also there. Okay, children, as you practice, you will get children. No problem will be there as you keep practicing. Okay, in fact, it will be like just very like it's like puzzles, children. How do you solve puzzles like that? Only this will be there. One more question I'll give. You try to do on your own. 50th question. No one should shout, children, till I say 5 root 5 x square plus 30x plus 8 root 5. 8 root 5. Okay. So children, how to do like this? Okay. Same children procedure is same. First you should multiply this both. 8 5s are 40. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. 40 5s are 200. And in the middle 30 is there. This is also plus. This is also plus. This is x square. This is x. Okay. We have to search for two numbers which will give 200 on multiplication, and plus or minus should give you 30. We have to search for two numbers, children, which on
The 20.
Yeah, very good, Nana. So 20 into 10 is 200. 20 plus 10 is 30. Simple logic. That's all. Okay. So apply this here. What you get? 5 root 5 x square plus 20x plus 10x plus 8 root 5. Even after applying this, many people will get confusion how to take which is common. For that purpose only I am saying so many sums, children. Please see here. Take 5 common, children. If you take 5 common, root, I mean to say 5x, I mean to say 5x root 5x plus 4, because 5 4s are 20x. And here what you will take common. Okay, children, here root 5x is coming, no children, here root 5x is coming. So what we should take common here, that is the question. What we should take common? Can anyone say? Here root 5 is coming. If you want,
So 2 root 5.
Very good, very good, fantastic. See, if you are getting confusion, write like this. Root 5x plus 4 you should write. So what we should take common is 2 root 5, because root 5 into root 5 is 5, 5 2s are 10. Very good, Vivek. So root 5 into root 5 is 5, 5 2s are 10, and 2 4s are 8, 8 root 5. Like that. You should identify, children. If you are getting confusion, first you write this here and then you analyze that. So root 5x plus 4 into 5x plus 2 root 5. Okay, children. Basic level sums anyone can do, children. Those who are having root in the middle, that sums only you have to practice. Okay. Those who have doubt, one more sum I will say, children, as many sums possible I will say. So please, Nana, don't panic. Next one. 51st sum, children. 51st sum. 50 first sum. See here now. 7 root 2 x square minus 10x minus 4. Minus 4. How to do like this sum? Okay, children. Let's see here, children. First, these both we should multiply. How much you will get? 7 4 is 28. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 28 2 is 56. What 56? Minus 56. In the middle, 10 is there. Can anyone say two numbers? Multiplication 56 plus or minus 10. Can anyone say two numbers? Multiplication 56 plus or minus 10. Very easy. Anyone? Anyone, children?
So 14 and 4.
Fantastic. Very good. 14 into 4 is 56. 14 minus 4 is 10. Bigger number has, this number has minus. So here you put minus, here you put plus. No, both minus only. Both minus only. If you put, no, this plus only. No, yeah, minus 40. Yeah. Here also minus plus. Now substitute. Simple children, substitution. 7 root 2 x square minus 14x plus 4x minus 4 root 2. Okay. So children, what to take common? Again you will get confusion. Please children, no confusion. 7 root 2 direct x we will take directly. So here x minus. Anyone wants to say what will come here? Anyone? Anyone wants to say?
Root 2.
Fantastic. Again, very good. Here what is common, children? 4 and x minus root 2. Okay, and x minus root 2 is common. X, what is there left over? 7 root 2 x plus 4 is there. This is how you are going to do it if roots are there. Okay, children. Copy down, children, please. Copy down, children. One more sum will do. 58th sum. What is the 58th sum? This question, all these questions will be there in the link, children. Okay, all these questions will be there in the link in the description. You can check, you can go through, you can practice, and some more also I will update very soon. Some more sums, so that you should be thorough, children. Okay, so here once you check, children, this into this is 6, a square b square, and in the middle 2 root 6 is there, a. Anyone wants to say, children? Multiplication should give 6, plus or minus should give 2 root 6. Anyone wants to say, children?
Sir, root 6 into root 6.
Very good. Fantastic, Amma. Root 6 into root 6. Very good. Root 6 into root 6 is 6 only. And root 6 plus root 6 is 2 root 6. 1 root 6 plus 1 root 6 is 2 root 6. No? That's all. Very good, Vivek. So, children, substitute that in the middle. What you will get? 2a square plus root 6 EAB plus root 6 EAB plus 3b square. Okay, children. So here, what you will take common? 2a. If you take common a plus root 6b, obviously same you will get there. So let us take root 6 only, children. Okay, this is 3. What will you take, children? Here, root 6b you should take. If you take root 6b, then what you will get, children? Here, a plus root 6b. How we will get root 6 into root 6 is 6 1, but here 3 is there. Is the question correct? Please check once. Because root 6, if you take common, a plus root 6b. Root 6 into root 6 is 6. Oh, children, here I took wrong, Anna. Because 2 into root 6 is not root 6. Here I took common, wrong. Here what it is, children, anyone? 2 into what gives you root 6? Here I took wrong. 2 into. So children, what happens? This is a little bit tough sum actually. You will get x is equal to root 6 by 2 you have to take, children. Here you should take root 6 by 2, children, actually. Root 6 by 2, okay, no problem. So here root 6 by 2, children, here also root 6 by 2 you should take. Because root 6 into root 6 by 2 is 3, no, children. Because root 6 into root 6 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Okay, don't panic, children. I won't give like this sums tomorrow. Easy sums only I'll give. 6 by 2b into 2a plus root 6b. That's all. Like this you should do. So 2 into what gives you root 6 AB? I found out here, children. 2 into what gives you root 6 means root 6 by 2. Like that you have to analyze in the exam. 59th question, children. 59th question only we did, no? 58th, no? 59, okay, 60.